Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add your EBT card to FreshDirect. So if you don't have a FreshDirect account, we'll put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Alright, now, once you click on the link, you will see a screen like this. And now you will see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and sign in. Also, do you know that you can add your Snap EBT card to Amazon? We will put our link in the description below for you to sign up and use your card, Snap EBT card in Amazon. And now, coming back to this video, you can log in using your email or phone number. We're going to use our email here. And it's going to send you a 6-digit code. And once you enter the 6-digit code, go ahead and click on Continue. And then you can go ahead and add the items which you want. And also just want to remind you, we will put the link in the description below for adding Snap EBT card to Amazon and Instacart so that you can buy items using your Snap EBT card on Amazon and Instacart. Alright, I'm just finishing up adding the items. And once you have added the items, click on the cart icon on the top right corner of the screen. And then once you click on the cart icon, you will see all the items in your bag. And then on the screen, click on Checkout. Alright, now you have the delivery options here. You can select your delivery address, whether it's a residential or if you want to add a corporate address, you can add a corporate address. Just want to be clear because FreshDirect right now allows only EBT cards for deliveries for certain Bronx, New York addresses only. And once you select your address, you can select a time slot and then click on Checkout. So if you want to use EBT card for other zip codes, you may have to choose pickup. So I'm going to show you the pickup option as well. So if you want to switch to pickup, you can just click on Switch to Pickup. Alright, so once you have switched to pickup, you can verify the address and the time slot. So just make sure that the pickup address is correct. You can select a FreshDirect location and the date and the time. And once you have selected all those details, click on Checkout. And now it will take you to the payment method screen. And from the drop down, you can choose EBT card. So here, under the drop down for payment method, you can choose EBT card. And now you can enter the cardholder name, card number, and the billing phone number. So go ahead and enter the cardholder name, card number, and the billing phone number. And then here you can just go ahead and select your billing address. If you want to add a new address, you can add a new address. And once you've selected your billing address, click on Add Payment Method. Click on Add Payment Method. And it will just give you a disclosure about the EBT card where that you need to be present to enter the PIN of the EBT card. Alright, and now you can just go ahead and click on Place Order to place your order. Alright, that's how you add an EBT card to FreshDirect. Thank you so much guys for watching it. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below on how to add your Snap EBT card to Amazon and Instacart.